राम मंदिर निर्माण को लेकर जेडीएस के नेता और पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री एचडी कुमारस्वामी ने बहुत ही गंभीर आरोप लगाया है और इसी पर बातचीत करने के लिए हमारे साथ खुद एचडी कुमारस्वामी सर जुड़ रहे हैं। कुमारना, द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द एलिगेशन दैट यू हैव पुट फॉरवर्ड. What would you like to say on that?
That is not my allegation. That is the lapses. What is going on in collecting the money for the Ram Mandir temple construction? I have suggested what are the lapses in the development regarding collecting the money. That lapses you have to separate it. For that reason I told several people without any authorization with false receipt, they are collecting money. This is going on. Then in some cases several houses they are marking. Why they are marking the houses who are donating the money? These are all the suspicion arised by the public. That thing I have yesterday suggested, don't give scope for this kind of suspicion. That is my advice for the who are responsible for the construction of Ram temple. For them actually I have suggested.
Sir, also we spoke to the BJP, RSS and the VHP. They say if Mr. Kumaraswamy is actually alleging such serious allegations, does he have any proof? Does he have any video?
Yesterday our local channel, they have shown what sticker they are labeling the houses who have donated the money. Why that is going on? Why they are labeling that stickers some particular houses? Issue is there. Without any proper evidence, I will not charge any issues. I will not charge against anybody.
If there is any authorized person comes and approaches Mr. Kumaraswamy, will you give donations?
Any authorized person, if they approach me, I am also ready to give, donate the money to construction issue. I am not opposing construction of the temple, but the way in which it is going on, that is my question.
Sir, indirectly, are you alleging that this money is being used by some party or somewhere it is being used?
That's why I am telling you, who is accounting this money collection? Transparency is not there. My request, whatever amount you are collecting, you please publish before the people. That is the responsibility of the concerned persons. But here, even other than the responsible persons, several Tom, Dick and Harry, they are collecting money. Who will going to collect that money? Who will going to hand over that money? The collected money by Tom, Dick and Harry. This is my question.
Final two questions, sir. One regarding the arrest. How do you see this arrest?
In that issue, I am really shocked because several youngsters who are in a progressive mentality, they wanted to suppress their fight against some several issues concerned to the public. For that kind of people in this system, they are actually misusing the power. They wanted to suppress their voice. For that, these things is going on. This is not healthy development in this country.
Sir, regarding the price hike we see in petrol, in the gas, what would you like to comment on this thing? We see tremendous, hike in all these things.
Whatever the consumer using for their day-to-day life, every material now with a rocket speed, the rate is going up. I request the present government, how they are giving message to the masses about the country's development and their concern about the country. This is not in a positive direction of the government for the development of the country. How this rate is going on. For that, actually, some decision has to taken by the government, otherwise people will throw them out.
थैंक यू सो मच। तो एचडी कुमार स्वामी का साफ तौर पर कहना है कि जिस तरह से राम मंदिर निर्माण को लेकर चंदे इकट्ठा किए जा रहे हैं उसमें कुछ ऐसे लोग भी हैं जो कि उनको जो है धमकी दी गई थी, इस तरह के आरोप जो है एचडी कुमार स्वामी लगाते दिख रहे हैं। साथ ही उनका ये भी कहना है कि कोई अगर ऑथराइज्ड पर्सन उनसे चंदा मांगने आता है तो राम मंदिर निर्माण के लिए वे चंदा जरूर देंगे। कैमरा पर्सन प्रसन्ना कुमार के साथ पिंकी राजपुरोहित, एबीपी न्यूज, बेंगलुरु।
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।